Hi. Can you do that? Can you do that? Huh? Is that your hair? Is that your hair? Don't pull it. Goof. I see you. You can wave. I can wave, Mama. Good job. And you can stand up. Were you doing it? Yep, you got the waving and the standing down. That's good. Can you say Mama? Mama? Good job. Why are you pulling your hair? Why are you pulling your hair? Stop that. I see those teeth. I see those teeth in there. I see them. Oh, are you getting tired? 'Cause it's 9:30. It's 9:30, baby head. It's time for bedtime. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, standing baby. See you later. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye, Mama? Oh, you can cry. That's a pretty sad face. Okay. Bye. Good night.